The show is about to begin! And now, coming to you from movie theaters everywhere, the Eric Michaels Show! I'd like to thank you all so much for being here. I do appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's the cool guy here, Mr. Eric Michael himself. That's me tooting my own horn. Wait, hold on a second. So I was asked, Eric, how can you connect your MailChimp account to your Groove account? So that's exactly what we're going to do in today's video. You ready? Let's get right to it. Well, hello again. So it's Eric, the Tech Mind, and today I'm going to tell you how you can connect your MailChimp account to your Groove account. All right, let's get groovy, baby. Yeah. All right, folks, let me share my screen and we will get going. So here is my Groove login. So I'm going to log into Groove Funnel on my MailChimp account and log into that as well on a separate tab. And I will show you just how easy it is to connect both of these platforms. All right, once you're logged into your Groove account, you're going to click at the top right where your profile picture is. The first option here is My Integrations. We're going to click that. You can see I already have my MailChimp integrated, but all you're going to have to do is click Add over here on the top right. This drop-down window will appear. You're going to click Integration Type. And then right down here at the bottom is MailChimp. So I'm just going to click on that. And then you see that it's asking for an API key. So all we're going to do is go back over to MailChimp and grab our API key. Okay, on MailChimp's dashboard, you're going to click in the lower left where it has your profile picture or avatar. And we're going to click Account. From there, we're going to go ahead and select Extras right here. And the second option is API keys. So we're going to select that and let it load up. As you can see, I have one created already because mine's already connected, but it's super easy to make one. We're just going to click Create a Key right here, and it has given me another API key that I can use. All right, so you simply copy that API key and paste it right here. Click Update, and you are all set. Your MailChimp is now good to go. So now, when you are building sites within Groove, you can now click on the left side where it says Elements over here. Scroll all the way down to your integrations, and you will now have this MailChimp button right here that is now active. So you simply just grab it and you can drag her wherever you like. And now you'll have a sign up button on your website so that people can sign up to your email list and it'll go straight to your MailChimp audience. Groovy, baby, yeah. Ooh, got a little dark in here. Anyway, that is how you connect your MailChimp account to your Groove account. Now, people can sign up on your Groove website and their emails will go straight to your MailChimp audience. Capiche? All right, guys, catch you on the next video. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my weekly doses of positive refreshment and tech help, especially when it's groovy, baby. And let me know what you need help with within Groove. Let me know what tutorials you'd like to see on my YouTube channel, what you guys are struggling with, because I truly do want to help you. All right, see you on the next one. It's the cool guy here. Capiche? All right.